Have you ever felt that your salary or pension does not get you to the end of the month? Do you desire an extra income working from home? Hi, my name is Margaret. I'm a digital marketer. I'm a wife and a mom of 4 children. A few years ago, we had a thriving business that unfortunately went under because of the dishonesty of our business partner. I felt confused, I felt frustrated, angry, even disappointed. I felt like a fish that has been thrown out of the water. But I kept on praying and staying positive because we had children to take care of and we had bills that needed to be paid. Then I thank God because of this online opportunity that presented itself towards me. And this online opportunity did not require me to have tech skills. I was not going to handle stock. And I thank God because I had a step by step opportunity to learn and to earn at the same time. So if you are the person that I'm reaching out to, today I help women who are 50 years plus. Maybe you're retired, maybe you're approaching retirement, maybe you're not that old, but you just desire to have an extra income in your life. I help women, I help that group of people to get started on their journey towards earning an extra income and achieving the goals that they have for their lives. So if you're the person that I'm speaking to today, I pray that you are going to reach out and comment interested below, and I'm going to send you the free beginners financial freedom blueprint. Thank you. See you on the other side.